So these are the best and newest fish codes that you can use in order to up your game. Now, I've already used these and I've actually gotten way better in the game because of these codes. So I will be showing you through the notes because I can't claim them as I've already claimed them myself. So here are the codes, starting with Sorry Reward. This will give you 5 Kraken Tentacle Baits and 1.5k cash, which is quite a lot if you're asking me. The next one is the Kraken. It'll give you a Sunken Ship Bobber and 2.5k cash. RFG gives you 2.5k cash and 3 instant catchers. Carbon gives you a Carbon Bobber. Sorry Guys gives you 2 Kraken Tentacle Baits and 1k cash. I'm pretty sure these sorry codes are when they find bugs in the system or they make mistakes while coding. But yeah, Atlantean Storm gives you 2 Hangman's Hooks and 1000 cash. Golden Tide gives you 3 instant catchers. Goodbye Fishmas gives you 1 Aurora Bait and 3k cash. New Year gives you 2 Peppermint Worms and 2 Holly Berries. Now, I know we're backtracking a little bit because New Year's was 4 months ago, but it's a good thing that these haven't expired yet, so you can still use them. Next is 1B Visits or 1 billion visits. This will give us Party Popper Bobbers and an Aurora Bait, a title, and $1,1100. Next one is RRG. This gives us 3 instant catchers. And then the last one, Northern Expedition. 2 hollyberries, 3 peppermint worms, and 1k cash. So you can pause the video and copy these if you'd like. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the fish codes that you can use. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.